Hello everybody. I have figured out the reason for dead seeds. Um, these seeds here in front of me are seeds that are from a cantaloupe that was just opened yesterday. Um, as you can see, there's a lot of seeds here, and I just grabbed a random stack of seeds here in my palm. And if you'll notice, right there, there's one that's come alive. He's already alive. Um, there's several in here that are like that. Um, here's one. They're sticking to my hand. They're still so fresh out of the fruit. This thing would come into focus. No way, the camera not coming into focus, but let me see. There it goes. You could see there's a little thing coming out from it. Right there, see? There we go. That's a good shot of it. A little plant coming out. So have that in mind when you go to the grocery store or into a hardware store, Home Depot or somewhere. You see there is another one. I'm going to point it out. You use a stick to make it easier to identify. But right there, right there, you can see a root. And if the seeds are already rooting in the fruit, and then you later these things are packaged or whatever, they become irrelevant. They won't produce a fruit for you because they've already rooted and then died. I've had several occasions where I've bought seeds from the store, planted them, and nothing ever happened. And I think that this is probably the reason why. The seeds did what they did, started to grow, then they were packaged, it died, and then the seed was no longer any good. Food for thought. I don't know if this is true, but this is rather interesting, that one day opening, and here we are. Thank you.